Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, your girl Harriet, and today I'm back with another video. In today's video I'm going to be recreating a look that was created by this girl. Her name is Alina. I'm going to show you a picture. Yeah, this one. This look. This is the look that we're going to be creating, and hopefully we'll have so much fun creating this look, guys. I know I haven't been here in quite a while, but let's chit chat while we're creating this look. It's for Christmas, very yummy. And yeah, if you're not subscribed already, please do click on that subscribe button, guys. I know I always say this all the time, but I mean, if you are not subscribed, please do subscribe. Please do subscribe. If you're a regular, if you've been here before, thank you so much for showing all the love. Thank you so much for being patient with me. Yeah, a lot has been going on, but let's catch up while we're doing this. Please don't forget to click like and click share on this video, and share with your friends, share with anybody that you want to share with, guys. Let's have some fun. And yeah. Okay, so guys, as usual, we're just going to be doing our eyebrows first. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to zoom in a bit so that you're able to see what I'm doing as well. Okay, I'm just going to do my eyebrows off camera because it's difficult to do your eyebrows while you're talking at the same time. So let me do my eyebrows off camera, and then I'll come back and we can continue the chat while we're doing everything else. Okay, so I'm done with my eyebrows now. So yeah, where do I begin? I'm going to be using hyaluronic acid to moisturize my skin. This is hyaluronic acid from The Ordinary. So this one will moisturize your skin if you have dry skin. For me, I have dry skin sometimes and it's not cute. So I'm just going to be applying that. Okay, so where do I begin? Guys, I just personally needed time to, you know, self-love, to love myself. I wanted to get to a point where I didn't need anyone to authenticate me, or anyone to validate me or my work or what I do, what I love. I wanted to be able to do that by myself. I wanted to be able to love myself without having to expect some validation from other people, or to expect some great comments or some love from other people. I wanted to be able to love myself. I'm going to be using this Rimmel Moisturizer. This is a makeup primer as well. It also moisturizes your face, so it's really good for the skin, to prep your skin for makeup. I'm just going to apply dots on my face. I'm not going to apply a lot because I applied hyaluronic acid as well, so I just want to prime my skin just to prepare it for the makeup that I'm going to be applying, and also avoid any harm from makeup. So I'm just applying this in the meantime and let it sit while I do my eyes as well. So as I was saying, I didn't want anybody to validate me. I wanted to be able to say I've done this and this is good enough for me, and that really helped. I'm going to be moisturizing my eyelids with this. I'm going to prime my eyelids with the Juvia's Place concealer. This is in the shade number 13, so it's J13. So I'm going to use this one to prime my eyelids, to prepare it for some eyeshadows. So when I blend, I'm just tapping. So I just didn't want anybody to validate me, myself, my work, everything that I do. I just wanted to be able to say this is good enough for you, Ru and Harriet, and you got this. So YouTube is quite a lot of work. YouTube needs you to be your authentic self, and I didn't want all of that. It also needs time. I didn't want to come and pretend and be someone else, and then after that I'm all tears, I'm crying. I didn't want that to happen. I wanted to be happy on YouTube as well. Okay, so in the picture she has like some browns and some green in the crease. So what I'm going to be using is I'm going to be using this Warrior 2 by Juvia's. It has these colors. So I'm going to be using this one, and I'm going to be using this brown in the outer areas of my crease. You just need to be able to love yourself genuinely before giving yourself out to other people, because yeah, if you don't love yourself, you don't give your best self. And I wanted to be there to give my best self to you guys, so that you know we can be on the same page. You can also have great content from me, which is very great, because I love that. I want you to see me, the authentic me. So despite all of that, YouTube is so much work. YouTube needs attention. You need to be consistent on YouTube as well if you want to grow, if you want to do all of that. So yeah, hopefully somebody will get me on YouTube. Thank you so much for those who are here, for all the love. I really do appreciate it. I love you guys so much. You have been amazing and you have been very supportive. Alina also has like a green on the inner parts of her eye. I got this Jacqueline Hill palette by Morphe. This is a Morphe palette. I think I'm going to be using this green in the crease. So I'm just going to grab a brush. Ooh, what? Yes, yes. In life, you just have to offer the real you. Just don't do things because you feel, oh, people are gonna think it's great. Do things because you feel you love it and you think it's great. I just want you to love yourself the way you should, instead of looking for validation from people. And that's also not a great thing. You need to allow yourself to be you. You need to allow yourself to enjoy yourself as you, because I'm trying to offer the real me. I'm trying to offer me, not be somebody fake, or not trying to copy others, because I realize that most of the times I'm trying to be somebody else because I like the vision of them. So now I'm going to take the Wahala 2 palette from Juvia's. I'm going to be putting this color. So you need to allow yourself to be you. You need to allow yourself to enjoy the best you, to enjoy all the benefits that God gave you and everything that God gave you. Because I mean, everybody has a different life, and yeah, everybody has a different life. Everybody has a way of doing things, and you need to allow yourself to just be you. So I guess that's why I needed some time off of YouTube, to just allow, to give myself time to just enjoy myself, to find myself, to find exactly what I want to do, what I'm meant to do, what I enjoy doing, apart from copying other people. Because once you do all of that, once you copy other people, um, there's a time where you run out, because you're copying what other people are doing. And when someone else is talented at something and you're not, but you're trying to copy what they're doing, you will not get there. There's a time where you will run out and you're not able to do it, because I mean, talent keeps on getting better and better and better and better. So there's a time that you will run out and you will not reach your destination, because that's not your direction, that's not your destination, that's not where you're supposed to be going. Okay, so since I do not have green glitter, because in the picture she has like green glitter in the liner, so since I don't have green glitter, I'm just going to look for some red. I know I've got some red glitter, so I'll just apply some red glitter in in the on the wing, and then we'll be done with that. Okay, so now I'm going to put eyelashes, and these are the eyelashes that I'm going to put. So I decided to put on some red glitter because I do not have green glitter. It was gonna work nicely, but still red is also a color for Christmas, so yeah, let's do red. I hope somebody has heard what I had to say. This is it, guys. So I'm Harriet, and this is me. This is the authentic me. This is for foundation. I'm going to be using this foundation. It's the Juvia's Place foundation in this shade Somalia 350. This looks like it could be the perfect, just that I don't want to look too light. Everything that I've been saying, hopefully you get it. And moving forward, I'll try by all means to be there for you guys even more. I know I've promised this a lot, but please just trust me this time. I will try by all means to release some content for you, and yeah, to film, to do all the good stuff. Some Christmas colors on the eyes. Next up, I'm going to be using my Juvia's Place concealer. With this one, you don't need to use a lot because already the concealer is pigmented. Everything in Juvia's is pigmented, guys, so you don't need to use a lot. Let's use this brush to blend. Pigment for days. What? And you can clearly see it sinking into my skin. I don't know who doesn't like Juvia's products. I mean, Juvia's products are the ones, guys. I'm not going to bake. I'm just going to sit. So guys, let me know in the comment section if you totally agree with what I said pertaining self-love and just being yourself, because I mean, have you tried it before? And when you did, when you said some time to just, you know, love yourself, what were the things that happened into your life? What are the things you achieved as a person that you can say, I really needed to do this for myself so that I actually get to this point, so that you can move from one point to the other?